squad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. O'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
It's exciting. It's something that I've certainly been looking forward to. I know the players are, and two of obviously these historic franchises going at it. A great rivalry, but looking forward to hopefully going out and putting our best foot forward and getting the W is the biggest thing for us.
Aaron Hicks, the first MLB home run in Europe. On a sharp hop for Didi, who plays it brilliantly to Torres for one and a flashy double play. That's well hit to right, up and out. Judge with a two-run shot. Didi with the bare hand, gets his man. Gregorius putting on a defensive clinic in London this weekend.
Coming out here and playing in front of these fans, and the energy they brought, from, like I said, from the anthem on, I got chills from our intros coming out, they had the flames and everything, all the way to the very end with the fireworks.
It felt like I was playing in front of 100,000 people, like it felt like a football game. So it's something, I'll remember forever, and, I think this is a good thing for baseball coming over here, and, I think a lot of fans enjoyed all the runs we scored.
Line hard, base hit, down the left field line. It'll be an extra base hit. It is a bases clearing, 3-run double from LeMahieu. That guy is not human.
What a play. Gregorius out. Bare hand. Game over.
Struck him out swinging. Ball game over.
And the Yankees sweep the Red Sox here in the UK.